water, wastewater, oil and gas, coastal offshore, petrochemical, pharmaceutical, mining, food and beverage. These demanding operating conditions require a solution that's up to task. The nVent HOFFMAN Extreme Environments air conditioners can maintain optimal cooling performance over extended periods in some of the toughest environments. As the only air conditioner certified to rigorous IEC IP66, IP69, and IP69K ratings, the nVent HOFFMAN Extreme Environments air conditioner offers the highest ingress protection available against water and particulate, making it ideal for food and beverage applications. Features include designed to withstand high-pressure washdowns with a 10-degree sloped top shroud, sloped internal surfaces, smoothly designed vertical surfaces, and minimal shroud fasteners. Catch points for particulate, water, and bacteria are minimized. Ideal for use in food and beverage applications with a FDA-approved neoprene gasket. Durable with standard aluminum filter that's easy to clean and replace. Easy to inspect and maintain with a removable shroud for quick access to internal components. nVent HOFFMAN Extreme Environments air conditioner units provide the durable performance, reliability, and standard configuration you need, all backed by nVent HOFFMAN's local customer service, best-in-class aftermarket service, and locally available spare parts inventories and competitive standard warranties. Learn more at hoffman.nvent.com.